Hey all, this is Jenna. Welcome back. In my last video, I showed you all about the free content in the Project Life app. It's a pocket-style scrapbooking app you can download from the iTunes Store or the Google Play Store. Again, it's free, so give it a try if you're interested in mobile scrapbooking. I'm using my iPad, but the process is similar on any phone or other tablet. So let's begin by looking at what the app looks like. Here it is, that's the icon. It's called the Project Life app. So download that and then we can get started. Here is where you'll start making a page. So tap on this blue section of the home screen and this layout will open up. This is the default layout and it is one of the free options. When you tap on one of the pockets, you'll see these two options pop up. One is for adding your photos, and one is for adding cards from the in-app kits. Let's begin with our photos. Tap there and you'll see your camera roll, all of the created albums you've made. You'll also have access to Dropbox or other cloud storage that you want to use. We're going to begin in one of these albums. So I'm going to tap on the photo I want to add to that highlighted pocket. And now I want to tap on another pocket, tap on a photo, tap on a pocket, tap on a photo, tap on a pocket, and tap on a photo. It's as easy as that in iOS. For Android users, I think you have to go in and out of your camera roll, but for iOS users, we can just add them consecutively. I'm going to tap this X to get out of my photos, and I want to tap on this pocket up here, and again, here are the two options. This one's for your photos, this one is for the cards in the app. And I want to start adding some cards. I want to use the Midnight Kit. It is one of the free options you'll have when you download the app. What you're seeing here is a ton of in-app purchases. I've been using the app for a few years, so I have accumulated quite a few. You will have access to this Midnight Kit, so let's begin with that one. I'm going to tap and add this title card to that pocket. While I have the kit open, I want to go ahead and tap on another pocket and add a journal card. I always start with a title card and a journal card, and then I fill in with filler cards. So I'm going to tap on this pocket and add filler cards. So filler cards are just for decoration. Title cards and journal cards you can journal on, of course. Let's add this one right here to that pocket. Okay, so the page is filled in. All the pockets are filled, but we do need to add some journaling. So let's come up here and open up the journaling options on this title card. I'm going to type out a title. I'm just going to simply type out Paris, but I want to change the color to yellow. I want to change the font. There are 14 or 15 free fonts in the app, and then you can buy others or download others. Those are not free options though, so we're going to stick with Heidi. That is one of the free ones. I need to enlarge this quite a bit. That's pretty small, so I would just want to fill this space. I think I'll leave it right there. Tap the arrow back. You also have options for line spacing, for vertical offset, and for justification, but I'm going to leave this card as is and tap the X to get out of the journaling options. Now I want to come to this journaling card and add more information. I'm going to paste in some information from my Notes app. No need for you to watch me type all that out, so I just made that easy. I need to just edit a few things, so let's see. I think we'll leave the color black. I think we'll leave the font and the size as is. The line spacing is also fine, but I do want to bump this down just a little bit with the vertical offset. So I'm just going to tap on the plus sign to nudge it down a little bit. And I do want to center justify this block of text. So that looks good. I'm going to tap the X, get out of there, and now we have built the whole page from start to finish in less than 10 minutes. Now granted, it might take a little longer if you're scrolling through your photo album through hundreds of pictures or you're trying to decide what to do, but it can be as easy as this, and it often is for me. I start with my pictures, I add a title card and a journal card, and then I fill in whatever's left with filler cards. That's how easy it is to make a page in the Project Life app. I learned all of this from the Becky Higgins YouTube channel. There are tons of videos there about the Project Life app. I also learned a lot from a couple of Facebook groups. One is called App Scrappers, Project Life and Beyond. And then there's another one called Simply Project Life. And that is where we focus on using only the Project Life app. There's tons of inspiration, tips, and tricks in that group. So join us there to learn more about the Project Life app. Again, the name of the group is called Simply Project Life. So be sure to join us there for more information. And happy scrapping, everybody.